Meet Echo Spot, a sleek smart alarm clock with Alexa and big vibrant sound, ready to help you wake up, wind down, and so much more. Customizable smart clock. See time, weather, and song titles at a glance. Control smart home devices and more. Personalize your display with your favorite clock face and fun colors. Big, vibrant sound. Enjoy rich sound with clear vocals and deep bass. Just ask Alexa to play music, podcasts, and audiobooks. See song titles and touch to control your music. Ease into the day. Set up an Alexa routine that gently wakes you with music and gradual light. Glance at the time. Check reminders, or ask Alexa for weather updates. Keep your home comfortable. Control compatible smart home devices. Just ask Alexa to turn on lights or touch the screen to dim. Create routines that use motion detection to turn down the thermostat as you head out or open the blinds when you walk into a room. Designed to protect your privacy, Amazon is not in the business of selling your personal information to others. Built with multiple layers of privacy controls, including a mic off button and in-app controls. Designed for sustainability. This device is made from 36% recycled materials. I woke up late again, panicking, fumbling for my phone alarm, classic chaos. My room? A battlefield of tangled chargers, forgotten reminders, and missed alarms. Then, one day, my friend said, "You need a smarter solution. Enter the Amazon Echo Spot, a sleek, smart alarm clock with Alexa. It's not just an alarm. It shows time, weather, even song titles." I customized it with a funky clock face. Finally, mornings felt less boring. The sound? Big, vibrant, with deep bass. My wake-up playlist? Perfection. Alexa gently wakes me with music and light. No more panic mornings. Forgot to turn off the lights? Alexa's got it. Thermostat? Done too. And privacy? It's built in. Mic off button? Check. No creepy data vibes. Sustainably made too. 36% recycled material. Customer reviews 4.6 out of 5 stars.